Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we explore automation and AI agents to supercharge your workflow. My name is Umar Rashid and I'm a certified AI product manager. And today in this demo, I'll show you how to build an AI agent with no code for Zoho CRM to help you automate tasks, answer your queries, and save time. As you know, who works on the Zoho platform that you have to manage your leads, track sales, interact with customers, and you have to do a lot of updates into your Zoho platform, which takes a lot of time. So what I have done is I built this AI agent, which is configured with my Telegram. You can configure it with your WhatsApp or you can just send a HTTP request to this agent and it's going to create a lead for you, create contacts, create invoice. You can send a Gmail to your lead or client, and also you can send a calendar invite to that, and you receive your reply back to your Telegram. Okay, let's quickly do the demo and then I'll go deep down that how it's being working and how you can create it by your own. Let's go to the Telegram and I say that I want to create a lead in Zoho CRM. And that's it. You have to run this flow. It's running, it's going to the model which I have integrated, which is Anthropic Chat, and it sent me a message back that okay, you need to provide those. So let's say the company name is Umar Org, say Umar description to sell the product. Email is .com. Lead sources, let's say YouTube. Lead status is new. Mobile number is +1234556. And I just hit the send button and I need to run the flow again. And you can see the triggers goes here, it's talking to the model, it's created the lead, and then it sent back me reply. And here I received that okay. Excellent. The lead has been successfully created in Zoho CRM. Here's the summary. The lead was created at this time. This is the lead ID, and this is all the parameters which I have sent. If I go to my Zoho platform, and this is how the Zoho platform looks like, where you have to create your leads. You can add your contacts, create deals, tasks, meetings. So there are a lot of parameters are there. So if I go to the lead and if I refresh my page, this lead has been created. You did not even open your CRM platform, and your lead has been generated where you added all those information. The information is there. I can add all those parameters, and we will look into that how we can configure that. And you can manage all those things. You can manage your meetings, you can manage your calls, you can also update or create your contacts. So this is the list of my contacts. If I have to create, I have to go there. I need to provide all the details and they have to create a context for me. But let's try with my Telegram that hi, I want to create a new contact. And then I have to run the flow. Why I have to run the flow each time? Because this is in active state. It is not published. If it's published, then I don't need to run it again and again. And the flow has been successfully. And you can see here, I received a message that, okay, I would happy to create a new contact in Zoho CRM. To do this, you will create. So I need to at least provide these parameters to create it. So let's say the last name is Arshad, email is arshad.com. I also need to provide the full name and then I need to run the flow. Okay, so because there was a second message of that, because it was not in the one thread and I have configured that okay, only one thread will process one day, one time. So it's asking that, okay, you haven't provided me. So thank you for providing the last name and email, but we still need to have the full name. So we need to provide the full name. Okay, let's see. Let's say I say that, okay, last name, or email is, what is the full name? See, it's very intelligent. So let's say if one parameter is missing, it is not giving you error. It is asking you to provide in a certain way so they can create it. And now I have sent it, I have to run the flow again. And you can see that it's going there, it's talking to the LLM model, it is creating the context, and it gives me reply that okay, this has been created. It's awesome. It's very powerful. You can understand. You see that you don't need to open your portal even once, and you're doing all your tasks with your Instagram, your Telegram, your WhatsApp, even your email from anywhere. Let's go back to your Zoho platform and see that the context has been created or not yet. So go there, and if I just refresh it, boom, you can see that it's there. So it's really amazing, and it has also all the informations which I have provided, and it's added here. I can also provide the account name, the other phone, the mobile, and everything. I can do that. Let's go and see that. Okay, can you send an email or invite to my client or the lead? So I simply go back to my Telegram, say that, hi, I want to send email to contact Umar Arshid for the follow-up meeting for our sales deal, and also send invite after checking is see, apologies for my spelling, calendar for 2 p.m. Dubai time. Okay, that's cool. Okay, we send this and we go back. We run the flow, and you see that this request is going there. It is the agent is thinking, okay, sent the Google invite already, and now it's sent the Gmail, and it's going to give me reply back on my Telegram. If I go there and say that, okay, let's create the email has been successfully sent to Omar Rashid. Now let's create a calendar invite for them. Unfortunately, we don't have a direct. Okay, we have checked the calendar and we found that okay, it's available. Yes, please do set up meeting. Done. I run the flow again. It's going there. It's thinking, asking to the model, Anthropic model. I have added the Claude 3.5 to use that model. We discussed that, and I think it's sent that. If I just go back to my calendar, let's see, I can see that there is a 2 to 3 p.m. There's a sales calls. It's already been set up. Now, how it is, how you can make it that? It looks very amazing, and it's also very, simple to make that. You just need to open an account in your n8n, and you can create your own agent. You need to link your agent, Zoho CRM agent, with your Zoho CRM, and that's it. And you can do a lot of other work. So if I go there, the first thing is you need to set the trigger. As I set it here, just delete it and just show you. You need to set your trigger, and you click on this plus icon, and you can go to the Telegram, and then there are triggers. And in the trigger, I selected the on message. So if we click this, you can see that okay, this is the Telegram trigger, and its trigger will come on the on message thing. There are a lot of other things where you can add it, but for this demo, whenever I send a message to my Telegram, it sends the trigger here and it starts the flow. Just to connect your Telegram, you need to come here and there is a credential to connect with. Okay, here I created an access token for that. And for in this video, I'm not going into the detail that how you can get it, but there is a open docs. If you click there, there's a whole document that how you can configure your Telegram with your n8n, and it's very simple. Okay. Now, once you created that, and it's always important when you're making your AI agent on n8n, you do a test steps every time. So when I click it, it start listening. And you can go back to my Telegram and say, hi. And you see that now the listening has been stopped, and you can see that, okay, this is the message ID from this, and this is the text which I received. Now you need to go there, and you have to click this plus icon, and you go to the advanced AI, where you can have your AI agents. And there are plenty of AI agents. So what I'm using is a tool agent. So there are different functionalities and a different agent. Tool agent is the one which utilize structure tool schema for precise and reliable tool selections and execution. You can also select conversational agent, but is less reliable than the tool agent. Then open AI function agents, which only works with the open AI functions and their APIs. Then there's a plan and execute agent. This is for the more complex tasks because it creates a high level plan and then divide this task into the smaller chunk and then go step by step. Then there is a React agent and then there is a SQL agent. But currently I'm using this agent. So, oops, yeah. What is happening here? Yeah, I'm using the tool agent. And this is very important. This is the source for prompt user message. So what I have done is, okay, let me go with this site. Because I have executed step by step, the last step, which is the trigger one, I can see that in the input area. And I just did it, I just drag this into this section. So this is json.message.text. So the prompt is coming to this AI agent, this tool agent is the text which I'm going or received from my Telegram. This is very important. And then there are certain things which you need to connect with your tool agent, or I name it Zoho CRM. One is the chat model. You can use other chat models. So there are OpenAI, Google Gemini, DeepSeek. Okay, I'm using Anthropic chat model, and I need to connect it to the chat model. You can see that I'm using the Claude 3.5. So the more complex talks or more reasoning, you can go to the latest version, but I'm using the 2024 version, but it's fine. I mean, it works for now. And then you also need to connect your Anthropic account API here. Okay, again, you go and you can open this open docs and you get a whole detail that how you can connect your APIs with your Anthropic account. First, you need to make an account over there. And then this is the memory. This is also very important. So this memory, what is going here is it's keeping the memory update for the AI agent. So let's say if I send a message hi, the next time when I start the conversation, he knows that I already started with the hi. Or if I ask a question and if I ask another question, which is the follow-up questions, this memory has the record and it's not it makes the AI agent intelligent that, okay, which topic we are talking about, what is the last previous message history, and all those things. And then this is the very powerful thing, which is the tool. Now you can connect it with your Zoho CRM and you can add whatever kind of work you want to do with this Zoho CRM. So I have created this with create lead, create contact, create invoice, Gmail. You do a lot of other things as well. If you just go there and search Zoho, and you see there that in Zoho, first thing is you need to connect with your Zoho account. How you can do it, let me quickly show that because it's a little bit complex. You need to go to the Zoho console API, and then this kind of a window will open, and you have to add a client. And because your application is n8n, it's a service-based application you have to create now, which I already created. You just need to name your client. I make it n8n. You need to give the home URL. You need to give the callback URL, and that's it. And if you come back here, you can connect it with your account API. And then you can do a lot of things. You can, if you want to do something with accounts, contact deal, invoice, lead, product, purchase order, code, sales order, you can do. And then there is an option there that, okay, you want to create or update, delete, get many. So whatever you are selecting here, you need to select the operations here. And then you can add the fields which you want to take from the user input. So if I quickly show you here that for this, I have created the create contact, or for this is the create lead. Click here, and this is the resources lead, operation is create, and the company is. So there are two ways to do that. One is that, okay, if there is a text or the parameter is coming, I just drag and drop here. Or the second good way is this beautiful icon of the AI, let the AI decide. And when I say that I want to create a lead, it goes here and see that, okay, how many parameters I have configured. I've configured company, last name, description, email, lead source, lead status, mobile. So it's going to ask me that. And when I write it, it is automatically knows because of the anthropic model of the AI that, okay, what parameters needs to go in which field. I can add more detail if I want. And similarly, it goes for create contacts, create invoice, and then you can also add your Gmail. So if you just click here to the tool plus icon and you search Gmail, you can create, you can link, you need to just link your Gmail API. For that, you need to go there. You can read the document, sign, you just need to sign up with your Google. You first need to create your Google developer account. You need to connect it. And then my resource is message, my operation is sent, and all the information to subject, email, message. If you want to make it customized, you can drag and drop from your input or just let the AI do their work and you can create it, which I have created. You can also add your calendar here. You just click and then you can create your calendar. You can link to your Gmail and start date time. It's or again coming from your input from the Telegram, and that's it. In the end, this is also very modern. This is the output. So I have sent the hi, and let's say if I test it, this is showing that hello, how can I assist you? So this note is to reply back to my Telegram that, okay, what is the output of this agent? And it shows me back to my Telegram page. So if I run it again, this one, it is going to send me the same text. Okay. And how it's going to do that, that this is connected to my Telegram account. Once you created your API linked to that, next time you don't need to again link it. There is a just if you just drop it down, you see that you just click it, you resources message, send operation. And what I have done is this is the chat ID. Let me show you. So what I have done is that whatever the output is coming from the Zoho CRM, it should be, sorry, this is not that. Okay, the chat ID is the ID which from my Telegram trigger, it's coming from there. So let's say this is my ID. So it is the same ID. So it knows that, okay, what conversation I'm talking about. And the text should be, or the message, what should it send to my Telegram is the output of the Zoho. And if I test it, okay, it sent me that, okay, if I go back here to my Telegram, you can see that, okay, how I can assist you. So in this way, you can build your own Zoho platform, Zoho agent who helps you to create all your tasks. Just remember that I have created only a few tasks for this video, but you can create as many tasks as you want, and you don't need to open your Zoho CRM. You don't need to do any manual work. You don't need to bound to, open it at a certain time or do it in your office or from your laptop. No need for that. You just need to connect your APIs. You just need to connect your Zoho account with your agent, and then you connect it to your WhatsApp or Instagram and just give them the command and it do all the work for you. So it's very amazing and it's very futuristic as well because in future most of the work will be automated by these AI agents who will be our assistant and do the work. Hope you like the video. I know I haven't covered the API part, or I haven't built it from the scratch. But if you're interested, just comment below the video. What we can do in the next video, we can go step by step where we can create in the demo or in the video that how you can do it. We do the troubleshooting if something bad happens and we create it from the scratch. But for now, I just wanted to give you an idea that you can create your Zoho AI agent with the n8n, and it's amazing. You can, you know, your hours of work can be done in minutes. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please do subscribe. And if you want more videos, please do comment. So I'll make agents on those topics. Thank you. Just take care of yourself. Bye bye.